Our lesson 13 is about hindi versus wala. So, common for Filipino or Tagalog learners, they are confused when to use the word hindi and the word wala. So, when you say hindi, that's negative, not. You say hindi maliit ang kusina, the kitchen is not small. So, hindi maliit, not small. Hindi is placed before the adjective. Kusina here means kitchen. So, you notice ang kusina, the kitchen. So, hindi maliit ang kusina. So, hindi maliit. To negate the adjective, we put hindi in front of the adjective. And then, hindi masarap. So, when you say hindi masarap, that's not delicious, not tasty, it doesn't taste good. Hindi masarap. Hindi mainit ang kanin. So, you notice, same pattern, we have hindi, mainit, and then ang kanin, the rice. So, kanin here means rice. So, when you say kain, to eat, kanin is rice, cooked rice. We have here, hindi masipag ang katulong. Hindi masipag, not hardworking, the helper or maid. Hindi masipag ang katulong. Dito sa Pilipinas, here in the Philippines, especially those who can afford to pay helper, so we have here katulong. So they hire a helper, and this helper stays in their house to take care of everything. So for those who are really rich, they can afford to pay like 4 or more than 1 helpers or katulong. So when you say hindi masipag ang katulong, that's it. It could be that the katulong is tamad or lazy. Another, walang mabait na lalaki. So you say here, walang mabait na lalaki. There is no kind guy or man. So you say, walang mabait na lalaki. Mabait na lalaki is a phrase. Walang masipag na estudyante. So walang masipag na estudyante, you cannot find one or a single one who is hardworking. Estudyante is a student. We have this walang masarap na kakanin diyan. Remember the word diyan, there, just there. Walang masarap na kakanin diyan. And then we have here walang masarap, okay, na kakanin diyan, kakainin diyan. So when you say kakainin, something to eat. But when you say kakanin, that refers to food made of sticky rice. Walang kape dito. So, when you say, walang kape dito. When you say, walang kape, there's nothing. No kape here, dito. We have here, hindi CP ito. Ito ay calculator. So, cell phone, we say cell phone, we don't say mobile in the Philippines. So, hindi CP ito ay calculator. Walang CP, hindi CP, it's a different thing. When you say walang CP, there is no cell phone. Hindi CP, it's not a cell phone. Hindi ito bag. Ito ay pitaka. So when you say pitaka, that is a purse. Hindi ito bag. So this is not a bag. So hindi is not. Hindi siya German. French siya. Hindi siya German. French siya. So you say, hindi siya German. French siya. So hindi German, not a German. Walang German, no German here. So, it's a different thing. Hindi ako dayuhan, Pinay ako. Hindi dayuhan, not a foreigner. Walang dayuhan, there is no foreigner. So, when you say wala, none, nothing. When you say hindi, it's not that thing. It's the other way around.